Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add some custom fonts to your Squarespace websites in 2024. So today we're going to guide you through the process of adding some custom fonts to your Squarespace website for 2024. Custom fonts can elevate your website design, making it more unique and aligned with your brand identity. So let's dive into the steps on how to add some custom fonts to your Squarespace sites. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me, here I'm using Brave. For you can use whatever you want. And you can start by choosing the custom font that you want to use in your Squarespace website. You can find some custom fonts using several platforms like, I guess the most known are Google Fonts, Adobe Fonts, and some other like fonts repositories that you can check. For me, I use you can go to this URL section. I use the fonts.com. Sorry, like, okay, so the font.com. As you can see, this one, and I choose like the font that I want from fancy, cartoons, comics. So you can see a lot of filters that you can choose from depending on whatever you want, as example. So yeah, here's example. Maybe, I don't know, just choose something like this. Maybe I like this one. So I just go here and click on download. As you can see, free personal use. Of course, you can find some comments on some specific fonts and etc. For me, I already downloaded the font, so I'm not going to do it again. For you, make sure to do it. And of course, you'll have to go to your Squarespace website. So make sure to go to squarespace.com, log in into an account if you have one. If you don't, go and create a new account. You can use Google if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account, and you should be good to start. So here's an example. I'll just go already logged in, so I'll just go into my dashboard and to my website right away. So as I said, make sure to download your fonts for you first of all. So here's an example. Once I am on my websites, so as an example, I'll just go to websites, and here, of course, as you can see on my websites, I'll be able to see whatever it is. I'll just go in here and click on edit, and maybe as an example, I'll just go and click on that, and here I have this thing here. Of course, that's just text, so I'll not be able to exactly change the fonts from here. So I'll just go and click on exit. So basically, you can click on this icon right here. As you can see, site styles. Once you click on it, you'll be taken here. So as you can see, you'll find yourself with this font option right here. So all fonts back as example. And here, let me just wait for the fonts until they load. As example, you have here a lot of fonts. So as you can see, this, and this. But as you can see, like there is no option, no button of uploading your own fonts. So what should you do? Basically, what should you do is simply access the custom CSS editor. So basically here you can just go to website, click on pages, go to utilities here. As you can see from there, click on website tools. And here, of course, we will need to start customizing our CSS code. It's the only way to upload your of course custom font. So basically here you can just go to custom URL or sorry CSS, and basically once you click on custom CSS, you can simply just go on this drop down menu and simply click on add image or font. Once you click on it, as example, for me, this is going to be my font, TFF. So I'll just go and type that. Invalid file type, for example, it accepts only TTF. Like this is TTF. I don't know why it's not accepting it. So I'll just go here and change like one thing. So let me just wait here, go to this PC. So maybe it's like because it's TTF, like a big TTF, so I'll just make it small TTF. It's like that, and I'll just go click that again, click on this, and I'll just click on it. Yeah, it's uploaded. The only problem was because TTF was in capital letters, not in small letters. So once it's uploaded there, as you can see here, so as you can see, the font is automatically added by its own. You can simply now click on the font file once uploaded, as example, and it will generate a URL. You can copy this URL as you'll need this example in the next step. So let me just go here, as you can see, URL. So just copy this URL, and basically Now you can simply add the CSS to apply your custom fonts. Now that your file is uploaded to Squarespace, you need to use CSS to apply it to your websites to add fonts to your Squarespace. Basically, here how you can do it. In your custom CSS panel, you'll need to add the following lines of code. Basically, it should be something like this. So fonts, oh sorry, not don'ts. So it should be fonts dash base. Sorry. Then open this. Basically, here you'll have to type font. So fonts dash family, two dots like that. And you should like add this. Okay, it's not this one. So let me just go and try to copy this code. So basically here, I'll just, yeah, here's it. So it's going to be basically this code. And here you'll have to enter the URL of it. So let me just go and get that URL. Yeah, now, and as you can see, the first basically section of this code includes like the name you're given to the URL. Here, basically, it's just going to be the name. So you can name it whatever you want. And I will name it test, where you are grabbing the custom fonts. And the second part is focused on where you want to apply the custom fonts to, as example, H1, H2, H3, H4, and etc. P and a lot of things. So basically, you can replace the name with the name that you want to assign to your custom fonts, and make sure you use a name that you will remember. Then replace the URL with the font URL files you copied in step 2. And yeah, this should be it. Of course, if you want to add another custom font to a targeted like text type, simply duplicate the code, edit in font family name and font URL. And this code is ideal if you want to use a font different from the basic Adobe fonts that Squarespace provides. And in fact, of course, it's only the way to include the custom font in Squarespace website. So if you want to add one, just duplicate it below this and you'll be able to add it however you want without any problem. So sorry, I'll just have to change this also. I did not notice. And yeah, I should be good to go. So I'll just go here and save. Go back like to the website, click in here to the styling, and I should find like the fonts right there to start using it without any problem. So I'll just go back here to styling. Okay, what about if we go here? So instead of pages, I'll just go to styles. So yeah, I'll just go and refresh the page just in case. And basically it should be working. Yeah, so here fonts and click in here and basically just look for this test font you just entered. Just look for it and enter it, and it should be good to go without any problem. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.